Hello everyone, welcome to Chemical Engineering Education. In today's video, we are going to simulate a splitter unit operation in DWSIM. We have one inlet stream and ethanol water mixture at 70 degrees centigrade with 1.5 bar with a flow rate of 200 kg per hour and composition of 48% ethanol and 68% water. We'll use the NRTL property package since ethanol and water are polar components that interact with each other. The inlet stream will be split into two outlet stream, that is stream 1 taking 60% of the flow, which is 120 kg per hour, and stream 2 taking the remaining 40%, which is 80 kg per hour. So our objective is to find the flow rate, temperature and composition of each outlet stream. And remember, for splitter doesn't change the composition. Both outlets will have the same composition as the inlet. So without further delay, let's open DWSIM and get started. So now here is the DWSIM. Now I am clicking create new. So just wait for maybe 1 second. After that it will open that simulation configuration wizard. Then click next. Now here we have to give that component. So our mixture is ethanol and water. So first we have to take ethanol and then we have to take water. So then click next. Now we have to select property package NRTL because both are polar components. So here I am adding that and then click next. Now here I am taking as a C5 or customize unit. So because mass flow rate is kg per hour, and then click next and then click next because here you don't have to do anything, and then finish. Now from that flow sheet objective palette, so here we have to take the splitter. So click on that and drag it here. Okay, so now it will be the splitter. Okay, now here that inlet is that ethanol water mixture, ethanol and water ethanol and water mixture TURE. Okay, so ethanol water mixture, and then this is okay. This is, I can say, as a splitter, SPLITTER, splitter. Okay, okay, so maybe that steams 2 is, maybe we can write as a 60% mixture, and this one maybe 40% mixture. Okay, now here we have to give that inlet composition as well as condition. So in our stream, in the compound, so 40%, so first is basis is mass fraction, so 40% ethanol 0.4, and then that water is 0.6, 60%. So accept it. Okay, this is changed to I think you can check that. Okay, so it is changed to mole fraction. So again we can check that mass fraction. So mass fraction 40/60. Okay, accept, correct. So it will change to mole fraction now. Okay, so now steam condition. So here we have to take the steam condition. Steam condition is here, that is 70 degrees centigrade 1.5 bar, 70 degrees centigrade 1.5 bar, and then mass flow is 200 kg per hour. Okay, now we have to click the splitter. So here we can make as a 60/40. So we can do that. So here we can just type 60/40 automatically. So you can see, oh yeah, so 60% 120 kg, and then here you can see 80 kg. Now that is the simulation already we have done because everything is blue. Now we can take you can put as a property table. So here, okay, so here ethanol mixture, so we take temperature, pressure, mass flow, Then mass fraction here we can choose. Okay, so from here that mass fraction of ethanol mixture, so mass fraction of ethanol mixture, and then mass fraction of water for mixture. Where is the mixture? Yeah, mass fraction. Yeah, so now you can check that. Okay, so you can see here, so mass fraction of mixture of ethanol 40/60. Okay, so you can put as like that. Okay, now we don't need this. So now here we have same thing we have to do. So insert properties. Okay, now here again for 60% temperature, pressure, mass flow. Now from here that mixture, mass fraction ethanol, and then mass fraction of water. So you can see here. Okay, so here that mass flow is 120 kg. That you can see that mass fraction will not change. Similarly here also we can do. So insert properties method here. So now again from that 40% temperature, pressure, mass flow. Now here from the mixture, yeah, so mass flow mixture of ethanol, then mass fraction of water. Mass flow of mixture here, mass fraction, or we can choose mass flow. Okay, so everything will be here. Okay, so in that case here 48 kg of water is going here, and you can see that mass fraction is 0.6. Obviously other things will be 0.4. So I think that's it about splitter. So we can split that one mixture and we will get that. So you remember again, so in that splitter doesn't change its composition. Okay, so now in from this DWSIM, so you can check the temperature, pressure and composition. Thank you.